We're working on a house here. We're installing a bunch of interior piers. Customer called us because they knew they had foundation problems. One of the things they noticed was this crack. When you see a horizontal crack along your wall, that you definitely have an issue going on. If it's a vertical crack, it's not that big of a deal. Those happen with shifting and it's not always mean you need foundation repair. But when you have a vertical crack, basically about 10 foot long, you've got a problem. You have a moisture problem, you could have a sewer leak, you could have a water leak. Something's going on, it needs to be investigated. Best thing I can say is get you a good foundation repair company. They should be able to tell you what's going on, determined by elevations and wet areas. So when I shoot, or we shoot elevations, when we go to the kitchen, where the kitchen sink is, and we're an inch low, there's a chance that there's a water leak there already. Don't know that for a fact, but 9 times out of 10, there's gonna be a water leak there already. If there's not a water leak there now, when we lift the house and that sewer line cannot come up and it breaks, there's definitely gonna be a leak, and there's no way to avoid it.